By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say on Valentine's Day in English without freezing up or sounding like a textbook.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Café, where we help you speak English confidently in real-life situations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tony.
Today, we're talking about Valentine's Day conversations. We'll cover how to talk about your plans, give compliments that sound natural, and handle those sweet but sometimes scary moments when someone says something nice to you.
And if you stick around to the end, we'll share the one phrase that works in almost any Valentine's Day situation, even when your mind goes completely blank.
Before we begin, if you want to speak English naturally and feel confident doing it, not just memorize grammar rules, then you'll love what we create here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our weekly lessons.
All right, so let's start with the obvious question. Why is Valentine's Day so hard to talk about in English?
Because it's personal.
Yeah, it's not like ordering food or asking for directions.
Exactly. When emotions are involved, suddenly every word feels like it matters more.
And that's when people freeze.
Right. Your brain starts going, is this too much, too little, do I sound weird?
So you end up saying nothing.
Or something really awkward.
So what's the solution?
Simple phrases that sound natural so you don't have to think so hard.
Okay, where do we start?
Let's start with the easiest situation. Someone says Happy Valentine's Day to you.
That should be simple, right?
You'd think so, but a lot of people panic and just smile without saying anything.
What should they say?
Just say it back. Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
That's it?
That's it. Or if you want to keep it even shorter, just say you too.
You too. Simple.
Exactly. And if you want to add a little warmth, say, "Aw, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day."
So it really doesn't need to be complicated.
Not at all. The key is to match their energy.
Okay, what about when someone asks, do you have plans for Valentine's Day?
This one makes people nervous because they think they need interesting plans.
Right, like if you say nothing, you sound boring.
But that's not true. Most people don't have elaborate plans.
So what do you say if you're just staying home?
Say, not really, just a quiet night in. Or, nothing special, just relaxing.
Oh, that sounds totally normal.
Because it is. You're not being interviewed. They're just making conversation.
And if you do have plans?
Keep it simple. Yeah, meeting a friend for dinner. Or going out with my partner.
You don't need to give your whole schedule.
Nope, just enough to answer the question.
That takes so much pressure off.
Good. Now let's talk about compliments.
Oh, this is where I always get stuck.
Giving them or receiving them?
Both, honestly.
Okay, let's start with giving. The secret is to be specific.
What do you mean?
Instead of saying something general, like, you're nice, notice something real. I like your smile, or that color really suits you.
So it's about what you actually see.
Exactly. Specific compliments always sound more genuine.
What if I want to compliment their personality?
Same rule. You are really easy to talk to, or I always have fun when we hang out.
Those feel safe.
They are, and they're real, which is what matters.
What about receiving compliments? I never know what to do.
Just say thank you.
Really? That's all?
That's all. Thank you with a smile is perfect.
Not, oh no, this old thing? Or you're just being nice.
Never. Don't reject the compliment.
Why do people do that?
Usually because they're uncomfortable, but in English, we just accept it gracefully.
So just thank you. That's kind of you to say.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the scariest part.
What's that?
Asking someone out.
Oh no.
It's not as scary as you think.
It feels scary.
I know, but here's the trick. Keep it casual and low pressure.
How?
Instead of making it this big romantic moment, just suggest something simple. Want to grab coffee sometime?
Coffee?
Coffee is perfect. It's casual, not a huge commitment.
So I don't have to say, would you go on a date with me?
You can, but want to grab coffee feels more natural.
What if I want to make it clear it's for Valentine's Day?
Then say, would you want to do something for Valentine's Day?
Just like that?
Just like that. Simple and clear.
What if they say no?
Then you say, no worries, and move on.
And if I'm the one being asked?
If you want to say yes, sound enthusiastic. I'd love to, or that sounds really nice.
And if I want to say no?
Be kind but clear. That's sweet, but I'm actually seeing someone. Or, I appreciate it, but I don't think so.
You don't have to over-explain.
Nope, short and kind is best.
Okay, real quick, if you're finding this helpful and you want more videos on speaking English confidently in real situations, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us keep making content like this for you.
All right, let's talk about gifts.
What do I say when I give someone a gift?
Keep it simple. This is for you, or I got you something.
That's it?
That's it. If you made it yourself, say, I made this for you.
And people appreciate that more?
They do. It shows thought and effort.
What about when I receive a gift?
Say thank you first, always.
Obviously.
Then show appreciation. Oh, thank you so much. This is so sweet.
What about you shouldn't have?
That's actually really common in English.
But doesn't it sound like you don't want it?
No, it's a polite phrase. It means, this is thoughtful. You didn't have to, but I appreciate it.
Okay, that makes sense now.
You can also say, this is so thoughtful.
Got it. What about at the end of a date?
You mean saying goodbye?
Yeah, that moment always feels awkward.
It doesn't have to be. Just be honest about how you feel.
Like what?
If you had a good time, say so. I had a really nice time tonight.
Simple.
Exactly. And if you want to see them again, say, we should do this again sometime.
Not, can I see you again?
You can say that too, but we should do this again feels more relaxed.
Less pressure.
Right. And they can agree or not without it being awkward.
What if it's just friends? Like I want to say Happy Valentine's Day to my friend without making it weird.
Just add context. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm so glad we're friends.
Oh, that clears it up immediately.
Totally. Or you can say Happy Galentine's Day.
What's that?
It's a fun term for celebrating Valentine's Day with friends instead of a romantic partner.
Oh, I like that.
It's cute and takes the romance pressure off completely.
Okay, so we've covered greetings, plans, compliments, asking people out, gifts, and saying goodbye.
We have, but here's what I really want you to remember.
What's that?
Your English doesn't have to be perfect for these moments to be special.
Really?
Really, people care more about how you make them feel than whether your grammar is flawless.
So I can mess up and it's okay?
You can mess up and still have a beautiful moment because you tried, because you were kind.
That actually makes me feel a lot better.
Good. Now, remember that phrase I mentioned at the beginning?
Yes, the one that works when your mind goes blank?
Here it is. If you don't know what to say, just say, that means a lot. Thank you.
Wait, that's it?
That's it. And it works almost everywhere.
Like, where?
Someone gives you a gift? That means a lot. Thank you.
Someone compliments you?
That means a lot. Thank you.
Someone tells you they like spending time with you?
That means a lot. Thank you.
Wow, that really does work everywhere.
It's genuine, it's warm, and it gives you a second to think about what to say next.
I'm definitely using that.
Perfect. Now, before we go, we want to hear from you.
Yeah, tell us in the comments, what's one English phrase you want to use this Valentine's Day?
Maybe it's Happy Valentine's Day? Maybe it's I'd love to. Whatever it is, write it down. We read every comment.
And if this video helped you feel more confident about speaking English in real situations, please subscribe and hit the like button. It helps us make more videos like this.
All right.
Remember, your English is good enough. You are enough.
Be kind, be yourself, and enjoy the moment.
See you next time.
Bye.